All right, gang, check it out. Marbled Galaxy Slime by Kicko. We picked up a 6-pack of this just for fun. I actually have an office party coming up, little get together here at the house. And I'm gonna put a few of these just in different random grab bags. But I want you just to see these and check this out. This is what they call Galaxy Slime. It is a slime that is multicolored, got a bunch of different colors, pinks and purples and blues. It's kind of see-through. It's hard to see on here, but it is kind of see-through in spots as well. I mean, it's just a fun little fidget toy. Some people use this for sensory play for different kids who have sensory needs. Some people use it as a fidget toy to keep themselves concentrated. I just like playing with slime, so that's what we're doing here. This does come in a 6-pack, which is perfect for kids' parties or whatever you need it for if you need more than that. And you can also honestly make sounds. You can make sounds with it as you play with it, even in its little container. Look, if you're looking just for a fun little something that you can throw in there and give away as a fun little sensory thing, check these out. I think you're going to love them. So look, if you're looking for a fun little toy that you can throw in, maybe some grab bags after a kid's party, or just give us a stress toy for some of your work things, check these out. They are pretty, they are fun, they do make noise. Marbled Galaxy Slime by Kicko. I think you're going to love it.